Ano na? Oli kayo, merienda tayo ng mangga. Sausaw natin sa bagong lutong alamang top with 3 red chilies. Sarap po. Pakita mo nga, Jessie. Sausaw mo nga. Yan nung sarap. Tululaway. Okay, then I'll start cooking in a pan, guys. Nagsira ko dyan ng kiniwini slice pork. Saute ko yung ginger, onions, garlic. Bring out the aromatics. Next to it would be the bagoong alamang. Then I season it with ground black pepper, followed by spicy vinegar. Suka Ilocos yan. Then, a generous amount of sugar. A little amount of water to incorporate lahat ng seasoning na nilagay natin. Bring it to a boil. Depende sa consistency na gusto nyo. Then, there you have